How to create a brochure in Canva. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to discuss about creating a brochure in Canva. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go to canva.com, log into your account. Now, once you're inside the Canva, search for brochure in Canva. Scroll down to the brochure option and you can choose between landscape or other formats as well. Now select a template that suits your needs. Templates are categorized by purpose, such as travel, sales, or real estate. For example, if you want a wedding brochure, select the wedding template and choose a free template by clicking on the price filter and selecting free. Open the template that you like by right-clicking and opening it in a new tab or simply clicking on it. Now click on Customize this template. Replace the template's information with your own. To change a picture, right-click on it and select Detach Image to make it replaceable. And to add a new image, you can go to Elements and choose a photo. Drag the image into the desired placeholder and adjust the image by double-clicking on it to move it or resize it. Repeat the image replacement process for all other images in the template and customize the text and colors to your liking. Click on the element that you want to change and use the editing options to adjust the color, font, and text. Once you're happy with the design, print the brochure and pull the brochure along the indicated lines and distribute your brochures. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.